Welcome to the nuclear band simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate the stability of various isotopes. You'll also use the simulator to investigate how the nuclei of atoms achieve stability through various means using nuclear decay and emissions. Use the red arrows to add protons to the stage and observe the name, atomic and mass numbers, and the stability of the atom being displayed. For instance, here 1 proton and 1 neutron were added to the stage. The screen shows the atom's nucleus is stable with a mass number of 2 and an atomic number of 1, indicating that the atom is hydrogen. Adding another neutron to the stage causes the nucleus to become unstable. The available decay section of the screen shows the beta decay as being highlighted. Selecting the beta decay button illustrates the decay and the transformation of the nucleus to helium. The nucleus now appears as being stable. Add various protons and neutrons to the stage to explore the decays and emissions that occur. The down arrows remove particles from the nucleus currently on the screen. Use the double arrows to add or remove both a proton and a neutron at the same time. Selecting the orange Reset button returns the screen to its original state.